How y'all doing? Nice to see you. I'm not even seeing you, but nice to see you. Hope all is well. Um, hope, you getting in them books, you know what I'm saying? You getting in them books, you know what I'm saying? You know, weight lift your brain, you know what I'm saying? Reading that, ow, fuck. Actually, that book itself, it told me something yesterday. You know, when you constantly look for knowledge and you constantly enhance, your mindset and you just open minded, it's like weightlifting your brain. You know what I'm saying? You're putting your brain in the gym because it's constantly using its powers. You know what I'm saying? Like not only you're reading, you're comprehending. Not only you're comprehending, you're picturing. Not only you're picturing, you're you know what I'm saying. Putting you know what I'm saying. So much going on just by reading a book, gaining knowledge. Like that's everything. But it's not getting intellectual. I can have you guys here all fucking day about that shit. We're gonna do that one day. I got an idea for you guys. Shout out to my mans. She put me on. But yeah. So Lil Yachty, we about to react to this nigga. You know what I'm saying? He ain't missed with that last song, so we had to indulge in another Lil Yachty. So this shit I seen on my newsfeed. So we about to react together. Literally. I don't know who Faye Webster is.
Okay.
Okay. What's your name?
Should we do Johnny? Okay, sometimes. Kind of.
Kind of not right now.
Yeah, you don't like that song. Oh, let's play Lego Ring.
That's one.
What did I get myself into? Okay, some new. Uh-oh, here Lil Yachty go with this robot shit. Don't do drugs, kids. It'll make you see a lot of shit, do a lot of shit. Guys, it's daytime. I'm trying to uplift myself. I'm trying to catch it, like, but it's the switch up is ill. You want me to be real? You want me to be real? Let me be honest. Fuck. Everybody makes mistakes, and I think I did. And honestly, I do want to turn it off and not want to listen to it anymore. But I wouldn't. It wouldn't be fair to the audience. You guys probably like this guy and Faye Webster. So I turned on the video. So I'll finish the video. And so it's about to be done. Fuck is this? Jesus Christ. Never again, y'all. See, like, String beans, nigga. String beans. Never again, bro. I'm good off y'all. I'm good off y'all. Never again. Niggas be trying shit. Just be trying shit. Damn. Maybe don't try everything. Fuck. Nah, that shit threw me. Jesus. You guys have a good one, bro. That shit just gave me all type of low energy and everything. I know what I. Hat hard though. I fuck with the hat. I'm on.